Discover how to create potting soil at home. This is Garden Life, the channel for all of your gardening needs. Commercial bags are expensive, build up quickly in cost, and vary widely in quality, which causes burnt plants. Making your own to give your plants a healthy start is pleasant and causes fewer headaches. Here is how to make homemade potting mix. Containers are useful for several reasons, including versatility, ability to save space, and ability to improve resource efficiency. Containers are perfect for you if you have a tiny garden area or live in an apartment with a balcony or rooftop. Potting mix. What is it? You'll frequently learn that you need to acquire or manufacture good potting mix for pots. What does that signify, though? Garden soil, which is heavy and contains sand, clay, and other less expensive ingredients that won't work for containers, is not potting mix. Instead, potting mixture is soilless. It is lighter and fluffier than ground soil, allowing the roots ample air and moisture for good root growth, while simultaneously giving the roots enough anchoring. There is no possibility of introducing pest or disease issues because these soils are sterile. Of course, potting mix is available in bags at garden supply stores. In general, soilless potting mix has the following three components. To retain moisture and nutrients, peat moss, coconut coir should be used along with pine bark for anchorage and either perlite or vermiculite for air spaces that make the soil fluffy and light. Additionally, some potting mixes contain fertilizers or moisture retention agents. You'll need to modify the fertilizer you supply if you use potting mix that includes fertilizer. Consider salted butter in a recipe as opposed to unsalted butter. However, a lot of gardeners who use a lot of pots, raised beds, or indoor seed starters will create their own potting mixes. Creating your own potting mix and sorting it in an old garbage can is far less expensive than purchasing several large sacks of pre-made potting mix for the number of containers in your garden. In addition, you may alter the mix to suit a number of different plants. Making your own potting mix. Before continuing, keep in mind that purchasing a pre-made mix can be preferable if you only need a little amount of potting soil. Making your own is typically only cost-effective over a long period of time or on a huge scale. Before making your own mix, bear the following in mind. Any potting mix works best if it is lighter in weight. In addition to making a container easier to move, loose and porous combinations also provide good drainage, which is crucial for container gardening. They also deliver water, fertilizer, and air to plant roots more quickly. Start with a basic mix listed below and add sulfur to the soil to raise pH or lime to lower pH as needed for your plants. Garden centers are often where one may find both additives. Some plants like ferns, asters, and strawberries love acidic soil. Others like lettuce, Russian sage, and marigolds prefer sweet soil with a pH of around 5.5 and 6.0. Add more sand and perlite if quick drainage is required, as it is with lavender, succulents, and cacti. Add more vermiculite or coconut coir if more moisture retention is required, as is the case for ferns and porous flowers like primrose. Basic potting mix recipe. Two cups fine sand, 1 bucket coconut coir, 2 cups pelleted time-release fertilizer, and 1/2 bucket composted cow manure. Also 1/2 bucket vermiculite. One-half bucket of perlite. Instruction. Completely combine. It makes enough to fill 5 12-inch hanging baskets or 2 14-inch tubs. For larger containers, double or quadruple the recipe.